All right, good morning. This is our review for the test over trig equations and law of sines and cosines. So first off, these first few problems we can go to straight to our unit circle in a sense if you want. And we look at, all we're looking at is where does sine x equals 1/2. And if you remember Sheldon Cooper, the exactly 1/2 occurred at what, 30 degrees. Except for we want our answer to be in radians, which is what, pi over 6 or 5 pi over 6. So the answer number one is pi over 6 or 5 pi over 6, which you get from your unit circle. Because it's your unit circle, remember this, at that 30-degree mark, this is where you had the point square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. Sine is y. Remember, y is sine x. X is equal to cosine x. Actually, I should probably use theta. Cosine theta. And tangent is equal to y divided by x equals tangent theta. That's going to come in real handy. And it also happens, there's also 1/2 over here at 5 pi over 6 if you look at the unit circle. Going to number 2. Where is sine negative square root of 3 over 2? Well, first off, look at your unit circle. Sine is y. I know I'm talking about the negative values. And I'm talking about this part being longer here, which would be, I know this is going to be my 4 pi over 3 right here. And in this particular place here, it would be 5 pi over 3. Because at those particular values, you will have, in each case, this case it will be the point 1/2, negative square root of 3 over 2. And this one will be the point negative 1/2, negative square root of 3 over 2. In both cases, y is negative square root of 3 over 2. So that's going to occur at 4 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. And then go look at number 3 here, cosine x equals negative 1/2. Well, actually, I found one of the answers is already right here. Look at it. Because x is the x value for cosine x. X is negative 1/2. And also x is negative over here, which is to also be the point negative 1/2 square root of 3 over 2. Cosine is the x value. So my answer is going to be here. It's going to be, that's the 2 pi over 3 if you go to unit circle. So 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. That would be how I would find those particular ones. I just got to look at the unit circle to find those first 3 problems.